Hi friends, welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to unbox one of the most essential accessories for today's work from home scenario. As we all know that working from home brings us already several challenges. Out of them, the most essential thing to have is a stable broadband connection and also a laptop or desktop to connect with the internet. Since we already know that most of the laptops comes with a built-in Wi-Fi adapter which enables us to connect effortlessly to the internet. But for the desktops, mostly we have to connect it with a LAN cable to our Wi-Fi router. In case if the router is placed little further from the desktop setup, then we have to deal with a pretty long cable to make the connection. This is where this USB Wi-Fi adapter comes for our rescue. This is a dual band Wi-Fi adapter which can be plugged in USB port of any desktop or laptop to get the internet running in both 2.4 and 5 GHz. Up to 433 Mbps for 5 GHz and 300 Mbps for the 2.4 GHz band. Even if your laptop doesn't have 5 GHz enabled, this device will let you connect to the 5 GHz network.
Okay, so what we need to do to check, we will go to our settings and we will check for the network and internet. Here we will go to Wi-Fi and we can see that Wi-Fi 2 is on right now. So here we can see that Wi-Fi availability on this thing. Now we need to come here and we need to just change it from here, this one Wi-Fi 1 to Wi-Fi 2. Now you can see that we have 5 GHz also showing up in our laptop. So if I click on this, Let's connect to this, and it got connected, I guess. So let's see how the thing is working. If I go into this, now you can see already 433 by 433 Mbps we are getting. Now let's do a speed test in this system also, and we will do a speed test. And now we will go to this one, and we will click on this go button. Let's see.